Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a quick tutorial on how to do anime eyes by using Clip Studio Paint Pro. To start, you need to create a folder and make sure to name it so that it will not get lost in the layers window. Next, you will create a layer inside this folder and color in the sclera or the white of the eye. Use any tint but don't use pure white. In this case, I'm using a nude color close to white. Then create another layer above the previous one and color in the iris. You are free to use any color you want. Next, create another layer, this time on multiply mode, and clip it to the previous layer. Then create an arc on top, then a circle on where the pupil will be. After that, create a layer beneath this layer. Then choose a warm bright hue. And by using a soft airbrush, paint around the circle you previously made. For the iris, make another layer on top of all these layers. Choose a color which is a darker shade of your iris base color. And now we will add reflections. Again, make another layer. And using a hard airbrush, paint a circular shape at the bottom of the iris and use a bright light color with a similar hue with the iris base color. Then on another layer, using a watery brush with white as its color, sweep across the iris. Make sure to take color mixing on the tool property. Then once again, on another layer, set on multiply mode, add a darker shade on the top of the iris, making the eyes more dimensional. Then create another layer. For additional light reflection, use opaque watercolor brush and watery brush to make random reflections through the iris area. Paint a circular shape on the center of the pupil. Then create a layer outside the folder and clip it to the folder we were working on. Airbrush shadow casted by the eyelid. Use a cool tone. Then, going back to the sclera layer, airbrush white on the eye that is exposed to light. Then here, I'm just adding some color dodge layer and adding some glow inside the eyes. This step is up to your preference. Then, before proceeding to the next step, I'm playing around with the color balance and hue, saturation, luminosity adjustments to make the colors more cohesive. Now I'm just repeating some previous steps, adding some reflections because I was too bothered to add it at this moment. Now I'll be adding the eyelashes and arc above the eyes and color in the eyebrows. Use watery brush and turn off color mixing. Make sure to add bright highlight at the top of the arc. Then here, my indecisive self took over again to make some adjustments on the color and repeating previous steps by adding more reflections. Then I airbrushed a cool hue. For some glowing effect, create a color dodge layer outside the folder and airbrush near the eyes. And here add some reds underneath the eyes. At this point, I noticed that the eyes were too saturated, so for overall look, I created another layer and I lightly soft airbrush white on the eyes. So that's it, you guys. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!